This time, let's make a periscope. How do you think it works? Get your hands warmed up and your lab coat on. To start off, you'll need a box. One with a... How peculiar. Now, where was I? Ah, yes. One with a lid. What is going on? Ah, Graham! What are you doing here? Anyway, as I was saying, a box with a lid. If you can't find one, you could make one from cardboard. You'll also need a pencil, scissors or a craft knife, some tape, 2 small mirrors, or some reflective cardboard or plastic, and finally, a glue gun. Start off with a pencil, a mirror, and your box. Using your mirror as a guide, draw around the edge. Do this on the side of your box at the bottom. Then spin your box around and do the same, but this time at the top. Now, grab your craft knife and carefully cut out the square shape. Hang on to the cutout pieces, we'll need those later. You could also use your scissors. Flip it over and cut out the other square. You should now have a hole here and here. Before we move on, let's have a look at our mirrors. When light hits a mirror, it doesn't go through it, it bounces back, or we could say, it reflects. The image we can see in the mirror are the rays of light coming from the blob of plasticine and reflecting. If we angle the mirror like this, we can now see the reflected light coming from the blob of orange plasticine. The same thing happens if we angle the mirror the other way. Now we can see the mirror image of the blue plasticine. Let me show you what we're going to do. Here's our box, and here are the holes we cut out. We're going to angle 2 mirrors at the top and the bottom, like this. Now, when we look inside, the image that we'll see is light coming through the top hole, bouncing off the top mirror, and then bouncing off the bottom mirror. Grab your box and a ruler and find your middle point. Then get your cardboard squares and mirrors. Using some sticky tack or reusable adhesive, stick your cardboard squares into the box. This means you can tweak your angle until you're happy with it. Cut out another piece of card about the height of your square and use this as a support. Do the same at the top, making sure to get the angles the same as mine. Grab one of your mirrors. Hey, what? That's not what I look like. Is it? Oh, hello? How strange. Attach your mirrors in place. And then look through the bottom hole to make sure you can see out the top. Just like this. Adjust your mirrors until you're happy. Then if you want to, you can secure them in place with your glue. Now, get your lid on and let's have a look around. Okay, what can we see? Ah, hey Pooch! This is great! Birdbot! Hey! Ah, Mr. and Mrs. Robot. I wonder what those two are up to. Wow, I can see all the way up to the dancing robots. You can also use your periscope to peek around corners and over obstacles, just like a submarine periscope peeks out of the water.
Marvellous mix!
Good night.